And welcome back to yet another episode of DripMyWhip. And as literally every one of you probably just realized, I look a lot more high definition, and that's because I actually got a camera from the 2020 model year. Hey, I told you your boy was gonna upgrade the camera game. Check it out. Now you can clearly see just how ugly I am. Not just assuming, it is now definite. I mean, look at this. I didn't shave yet, and y'all can see that. Look, I just got a whole new set of camera equipment. I don't know about y'all. I really want to hoon around and try out my new setup. And what better day to do it than a nice sunny day and a fresh set of tires. Oh, hold on. We are about to witness a tiger attack its prey. Let's see. Turbo, are you catching any prey? Probably not with me here, right? Back to what I was saying, now that we've just watched a little bit of National Geographic, these really bother the hell out of me, just how yellowed over these are. I mean, these are the OEM headlights. I'm gonna replace these eventually when I get it wrapped, but that's on a later date. I'm talking about right now. I'm really tired of this, so I bought a just general, I think it's just like some kind of Pep Boys brand headlight restoration. I want to see if that kind of stuff actually works. We'll see how this works. We're gonna try it out. I've read the directions. I want to see if we can clean these up a little bit, get these wheels cleaned up. We'll see if we meet up with everybody else later tonight. I think we got something going on. Ooh, looks kind of cool. Let me see, that, yeah, I think it's actually working. Okay. Sheesh. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Now I got that looking way better. I mean, that looks like a whole new car. I'm gonna go ahead and do a full clean detail, rim clean on this car, prep it for tonight. Between clips, just found out that we are gonna go ahead and be on our hooligan shit later. Every time I come out here, they laying on this thing. Good God, this thing is clean as shit, bro. Damn. This, ooh, I know where y'all know where that's from. This thing is stupid clean. It's finally ready. Damn, this thing is looking really good, but we are not done yet. We're done with the cleaning, but let me show you something I'm doing right now. Surprise, surprise. That's exactly what's going on. The exhaust that I want to do is not able to be done by the time of this video, and I don't want to go to another takeover silent. So going to be making my own exhaust until my other one arrives. All right, now that we have done our own exhaust job, and probably a very crappy one, let's see how she sounds before and after. Yo, this is fine. All I gotta say is it's gonna be a little bit different in the pit tonight with POV cameras and a chopped off exhaust. We really ready. Look who decided to show up for the vlog. Miss Carla Cray. Oh, you're gonna give him?
No, it's not Carla Cray.
Who is it tonight?
It's Denise.
It's Denise. Only her real friends will get that. Right. As y'all know, as I mentioned earlier, we're going to another takeover, a little bit different because, as y'all know, we're going to another takeover, bringing some friends.
Oh shit, what happened?
And we'll just see how the night goes.
Ready?
Hopefully none of us get arrested.
Oh, that's enough. I might go to jail tomorrow, slut.
Well, it was nice knowing you, bro. What the fuck? DripMyWhip?
DripMyWhip.
Yeah. Yeah. How you doing, man?
You want a chicken nugget?
No.
Nah, I'm good. I'm on a diet, bro. I need to start.
You on a diet? Well, it is just a pop-up meet anyway.
Yeah, it was a pop-up meet anyway.
I mean, I'm not gonna speak on that.
Next weekend, I'm smacking the fuck out the city.
Well, that's if you're here.
Don't do that.
Hey, relax, nigga. Okay, I just cut that shit. Oh shit.
Don't worry, we'll run it for you.
Alright, park.
Yeah, I'm gonna park right here. So even though we're still waiting for some more people to come in right now, it's not really deep enough to head out yet. So we're gonna go ahead and keep waiting. As you can see, Are you really dancing at the meetup spot?
Yeah.
Oh!
It's a club anyway.
It's always a club. It's actually a really good turnout for being a pop-up meet. We got about 100 people here. Maybe a little bit less. We'll see how many people come in. We're gonna give it about 30 more minutes. So as you can see, we just got to the first spot. This is a nice little pit right here. While we got everybody go ahead and line up, I'm gonna go ahead and put my head strap on, see how that POV looks when I'm sliding. Oh yeah, let's try this head strap out, see how it does. Huh? I'm gonna try this head strap out and see how this POV does.
Put your seatbelt on. Oh shit. You're gonna need your seatbelt.
I'll probably go first. Yeah. What's up, bro? It's Drip. Thank you, bro.
Thank God I didn't sit out the window for that one. I would have been like,
Want a tire check real quick? You gotta be fucking kidding me, bro.
God damn, you went retarded, bro.
Thank you, bro. Alright. We're getting low on tire already, so I'm gonna call it at this spot. I'm gonna wait until we get another one. I went ahead and stopped. The whole crowd told me that I'm spinning on wires, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop and get everybody else.
Whoa.
What are y'all doing?
What y'all doing?
What's going on? All right, we got 12. Pulling out. Well, we just pulled up to another one. The cups are really hot tonight, so we're gonna probably just call it a night right here. But I hope y'all enjoyed the POV shots that I had. I'm gonna look through the footage in a little bit. Yo, for real though, I've been having fun out here in the streets. Thank y'all for stuff. Make sure y'all like and comment, and make sure to subscribe too. But I will see y'all on the next episode of DripMyWhip. Peace.